This is me messing with Chantel as she tries to play Wii Baseball.
Come on, be too legit to Quitsky. You gotta stop it.
You've got to be careful with your thumbs.
She accidentally hits the ball. Watch, one more. Watch. You're pressing it.
I'm not pressing nothing.
Chantel, stop
I
pressing
think
it.
she keeps hitting the button, but I do.
Every
The
time.
home button's right there.
I know. You're hitting the home button.
You gotta be careful. You can't hit any of those buttons. There you go. There you go. See, if you don't hit the button, you get a good hit.
Yes.
Look, watch. I'll show you. You ready? It's real easy. Watch my hand. You see? I didn't hit the home button.
That's how you get a home run, by not hitting the home button.
Hit the home button. The home button, the one that's inside your house. You hit the home button.
Chantel, what is going on?
You can't hit the home button.
He helped you and it was fine.
Try again. No home button. Here, hold it right, just like this, 2 fingers. Yeah, that way you won't hit the home button.
Emery, come down here. Baby's sleeping up there.
Whoa, hallelujah.
I didn't hit the home button this time.
You're not gonna hit home run sitting down.
I can do
You've
it.
got to stop hitting the home button.
Tyler, you found that?
Oh my goodness.
Are you gonna stop hitting the home button?
I'm not hitting the home button.
Tyler.
You almost bunted it. You are like so close.
Hold it out like this. Now wait for it. Ready? Swing, no home button.
Good job, see? You got one more chance. You got one more chance. This is it. Do it.
I'll show you. You can't hit the home button, right?
I didn't hit the home button.
You hit the home button like every time.
I don't know what's going on with you, girl. Alex isn't having these issues.
I don't know what you're doing.
Nobody else is.
Hold on, Nancy's full.
Ooh,
Oh.
no home button.
Funny thing.
What is going on?
Staying down.
Is there like a side button on the controller or something? Maybe she's hitting that button.
No, she's just hitting that home button every time.
It's like the smallest button on the controller, girl.
How do you
I don't know. All I know is Alex isn't struggling with it.
Hey, did you